In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email into SmartSuite with Email Parser by Zapier. We'll set up a simple automation that takes information from incoming emails, parses it with Email Parser by Zapier, and sends it into SmartSuite. This is perfect for turning inquiries, leads, or support messages into structured records without manual copy and paste. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the Home dashboard. From there, click Create, and then choose Zaps to start building a new workflow. You'll land in the Zap editor, where the first thing you'll do is define what starts your Zap. Click the prompt that says, select the event that starts your Zap, then use the search to type Email Parser. When you see Email Parser by Zapier, click it to set it as your trigger app. Next, choose your trigger event. Depending on your interface, this is typically new email or new email parsed. The idea is that each time the parser receives an email that matches your template, the Zap will run. If you already have a parser mailbox set up with a sample email and highlighted fields, you're in great shape. If not, make sure you've prepared one beforehand so your test data is clean and consistent. Now connect your email parser account, click to add the account, follow the prompts, and select the specific parser mailbox you want to use. A quick tip, pick a mailbox that receives reliably formatted emails so your extracted fields remain stable over time. With the trigger ready, move to the action. Click to select the event for your Zap to run, then search for SmartSuite. Click SmartSuite to make it your action app. You'll be asked to choose an action event, such as creating a record. Select the action that matches your goal for SmartSuite, keeping in mind what information you plan to capture from the parsed email. When prompted, connect your SmartSuite account. Authorize Zapier to access your workspace so it can create or update records on your behalf. If your organization uses multiple environments or permissions, make sure you connect an account with the appropriate access. That completes the connection between Email Parser and SmartSuite. From here, you can continue the standard setup in Zapier. Use the parsed fields as inputs for your SmartSuite action, preview a sample from your parser mailbox to confirm the values look right, and then publish the Zap when you're satisfied. A final tip before you turn it on, send in 1 or 2 real-world emails that match your parser template to ensure everything flows into SmartSuite exactly as intended. Once you're happy, turn on the Zap and let it handle the busy work for you.